This is where mornings come early, where the work is honest and the lessons, they're lived, not just learned. At the Nebraska College of Technical Agriculture, students come here to build something real. Each donation is an investment in the future of agriculture and in the communities our students will go on to serve.
I have learned a lot through welding and through the ag education courses that I was taking. I plan to wrap up those courses and start my own welding business and also go on and finish my degree in elementary education. And I hope to tie some of the farm to table with younger elementary kids and not so much high school. So I still want to take my degree and make an impact just on younger kids.
Because of your generosity, 95% of our students receive some form of financial support, opening doors that may have otherwise remained closed.
Having a scholarship allowed me to participate on the ranch horse team, the rodeo team. I was on the horse judging team and a couple other NACTA teams. This summer I have an assistant horse training job in north central Iowa. In the fall I will attend West Texas A&M.
Your gift helps cover the cost of tuition, making a college education possible without the added burden. And because of that, students don't just get here, they get to fully step in.
That allowed me to do shooting sports with anybody who shoots a shotgun. No, shells are not cheap. As well as just gave me an opportunity to actually live instead of survive. Going to late night gas station runs, getting snacks, stuff like that, living instead of just surviving.
Every gift helps students gain the skills, confidence, and the hands-on experience needed to succeed and lead in today's workforce.
It made school a little different than I was expecting. Being able to actually do the things that you need to be learning rather than just in a study room or a lecture, actually getting to be able to practice those skills in the field.
On behalf of students, faculty, and staff, thank you for believing in their potential, because what starts here doesn't stay here. It grows.
I'd like to say thank you, and it means a lot what you do for us students, and I just want you to know it really makes an impact on our lives. Thank you.
I would like to say thank you, and this has really made a big impact on my future, and it really helped me get through school, not just financially, but it also drove me to be like, hey, somebody's watching after me, somebody's, being like, they're a good student, they deserve this, and that means a lot.
I'd like to say thank you. It's definitely made a difference in my post-secondary education and my life and me as a person.